Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Maths Olympiad, let us do some solving exponential equation. Look at this example. Solve 81 sine squared x plus 81 over cos squared x equal 30. Here, sine squared x and cos squared x in exponential form. Here, in this, where x equal radians. Now, 81 can be expressed as 3 power 4 into sine squared x plus 3 power 4 cos squared x equal 30. Further, 3 power 4 sine squared x, because this power is multiplied. Here 3 power 4 cos squared x can be written as 1 minus sine squared x plus 3 4 into 1 minus sine squared x, because cos squared x is expressed as 1 minus sine squared x equal 30. 3 power 4 sine squared x plus 3 power 4 into 3 power minus 4 sine squared x equal 30. Then 3 power 4 sine squared x plus 3 power 4 divide, because power is negative, come down as a positive. 3 power 4 sine squared x equal to 30. Now this expression, that is 3 power 4 sine squared x, here also 3 power 4 sine squared x. For that, let y equal that expression, that is 3 power 4 sine squared x. Using this substitution, we have y plus 3 power 4 over y equal 30. Y plus 81 over y equal 30. By multiplying throughout by y, which gives y square plus 81y equal 30y. Collecting one side, y square plus 81y here not y comes, you look at here. Multiplying throughout y square plus 81 equal 30y. Then collecting one side, y squared minus 30y plus 81 equal to 0. It is in terms of quadratic. Here, by factorizing, 81 is expressed as 3 into 27. 3 plus 27 is 30. That both are minus. So we have factorized y minus 3 into y minus 27 equals 0. Therefore, y we have 3 and y we have 27. Now, first we are having y equal to 3. Y already we kept as 81 power 3 power 4 sine squared x. 3 power 4 sine squared x equal 3 power 1. So both bases are equal. So equating the index, that is 4 sine squared x equal to 1. Therefore sine squared x equal to 1 over 4. Therefore sin x equal to 1 over plus or minus 1 over root 2. 1 over 2, not root 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So we are having actually like here, same here this side, y is 3 power 4 sine squared x equal 27 can be expressed as 3 power 3. Both bases are same, so equating the index 4 sine squared x equal to 3, because base is same, we eliminate and power is equated. Therefore sine squared x equal to 3 over 4. Therefore sin x equal plus or minus root 3 by 2. We have two set of values here. First we talk about sin x equal to plus or minus 2. Just sin x equal to positive half, then x equal to by solution of trigonometric equation table, we are having x equal pi by 6 2 pi k, where k is at 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, the whole number, and where k equal to constant, which is 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then where k equal to 0 1 2 3, like everywhere it is like. Then if then x equals sin x equals to minus half, then we have x equal to by table value 5 pi by 6 plus 2 pi k. Here also value of k is 0 1 2 3 4 5. Now for then x, suppose sin x equal positive root 3 by 2, by solving x equal where all degrees are in radians. Here sin x equal pi by 3 plus 2 pi k, where k equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5. When sin x equal negative root 3 by 2, then x we have by table 5 pi by 3 plus 2 pi k. Here this we have x have 4 values. So far we discussed about the equation in exponential form with ordinary numbers and trigonometric function together. So look at here, 381 is expressed as 3 power 4, and we are using cos squared x is 1 minus sin squared x, and making simplification we got this y plus 3 over 3 power 4 by y equal to 30. Then that means we let y equal 3 power 4 sin squared x, then it become a quadratic equation in terms of y. By solving this quadratic equation by factorizing, we got y values is 3 and 27. Then substituting 3 power 4 sin squared x, that means y value that is equal to 3. 3 can be expressed 3 power 1. Then from this we got x equal to plus or minus half. X have two values, plus half and minus half. Plus sin x equal to half means x equal to pi by 6 plus 2 pi k. If sin x equal to minus half, that x equal to 5 pi by 6 plus 2 pi k. Similarly, for here y equal to 27, that is 3 power 4 sine squared x is 27 is expressed as 3 power 3. Bases are same, so equating the index. That is 4 sine squared x equal to 3. From that we got sine x equal plus or minus root 3 by 2. By using positive and negative values, we got x equal pi by 3, 2 pi k, and if x is negative root 3 by 2, x equal to 5 pi by 3 plus 2 pi k. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.